Hey guys, Dave in Florida here. I'm out here in Eustis, Florida, and I'm going to check out the Trout Lake Nature Center, founded in 1988 by the Ocklawaha Valley Audubon Society. So let's check it out. They've got what's called the Charles Newell Hall Museum. So basically what this is, some of this is hands-on, some of it's not. And you can play with the stuff that is hands-on. Such as this. This is a Florida deer jawbone. And then there's obviously stuff that you're not going to touch. There's a fox squirrel, red fox, bobcat, wood stork, vulture, see those everywhere, sandhill crane, some different types of nests that you might see on the trees. Here's a snapping turtle. That's a good size one. And here we got some snakes. There's side of an alligator, or on top side of an alligator, excuse me. There's a southern bald eagle. The purpose of the center is basically education. So when you get down in here, you can go out back here, and there are numerous trails that you can walk out and see if you can spot some wildlife. So come check it out. This is in Eustis, Florida.